Why are you so crazy? No, no, no. No. They'll be back. They'll be back this weekend. What are you doing? You're crazy, dog. Oh. Look at the birdies. Oh, no, get off. Get off. No, get back. No. No. I'm sorry. They're coming back soon. Declan, he'll fight you. I don't want to fight you. He likes fighting you. Sister likes hugging you. I'll hug you, but I won't fight you. Not like that. Hey, give me my pillow. Hot. Come here, squirrel dog. Hot. Where are you going? Give me my pillow. Give me my pillow. Luna, bring that back. Bring that back. Ah! Holy smokes. There's Bill. Luna. Bring me that pillow. Get my pillow. Go get it. Bring it here. Luna. What are you doing? All right, stop. Settle. Sit.